What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Vlogmas day 6, and for this video we're going to be showing you guys an extreme cleaning montage. I've been obsessed with watching these videos all over YouTube, and it just motivates me to clean, it motivates me to get my life together, and it's really cool to see like what products people are using in their home and like what cleaning products they recommend. So we thought this would be a fun video to throw in here. Let me know if you guys love cleaning videos. Like seriously, nothing motivates me more to like clean and organize and do laundry than those videos. So again, we're uploading every single day until Christmas, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, turn on your post notifications, and also give this video a big thumbs up so we know you enjoyed. And without further ado, let's get into today's video.
All right, y'all, so don't judge me for the way this room is looking, the condition that it's in. Don't judge me. We just got back from a trip. Anybody who's like into fashion and stuff, you know it's pretty stressful trying to pick your outfits for the trip. You want to make sure that it's going to fit the aesthetic of where you're going. Like I went to Big Bear, so I had to get my nice puffy coats out and my warm sweaters and everything. So it's kind of hard to make the decision. So your room kind of becomes a mess and your clothes get everywhere. If you guys don't know, Naz and I, like in the master bedroom, all her clothes are in that closet. Me and her have way too many clothes to share a closet. So I use the guest bedroom as kind of like my man cave slash closet. So all my clothes are in the closet in the guest room, and then I come in here and this is like where I'll play the Xbox or like just chill and kick it when Naz is like in the room watching her own show or reading or whatever. This is like my man cave when we don't have any guests staying with us. So I'm gonna show you guys the process of me cleaning this room and getting it together. First, I'm gonna show y'all the before. Like I said, don't judge me, it's just a lot of clothes. That's really all it is. I'm not like, I don't have like food bowls and everything just sitting around. Like it's just my clothes on the bed, and then like some receipts and clothes tags and little random things. But yeah, we're gonna get it together. Yo, Nas should have knew better than to leave me home alone with this mic. Y'all should see this setup. I feel like I'm in the studio right now about to drop a fire track. First of all, shout out to my boy Dante for hooking me up with this Mac jacket for my birthday. As you can see, I brought my retail talents to LA. Some of the things I picked up from working some of my retail jobs, folding these hoodies up. Not doing it perfect because it's not for display, it's just for me. Folding and putting away clothes has to be one of my least favorite things to do. I think it's the combination of both, honestly. Like putting away clothes is fine, and Naz usually folds them for me, but for a while she would fold them and then they would just sit in the basket for too long, and she got upset, said she not folding for me no more. Now you can see me putting away my shoes. These are the shoes that I typically don't wear, or the ones that I wear to the gym. You guys will see in a little bit another rack that I have with the shoes in my current rotation. I had to take a lot of shoes back home to Ohio because I'm just running out of space to put my shoes. Moving on to the nightstand, I believe this is an area that's often neglected by people when cleaning. We always just toss our trash and random things onto the nightstand, but you see here I'm giving it a good clean and a wipe down. I know y'all peeped that basketball in the reflection. I will still hand out a few buckets here and there. Now I'm going to start to put the shoes back on the shoe rack. As I said, we just got back from a trip, so those are the ones I'm taking out of the bag. This shoe rack are the shoes that I currently have in rotation, meaning the shoes that I wear the most. So I like to keep them out on this rack so that they're easily accessible. Now moving on to the entertainment center. I don't know about y'all, but this is another neglected area for me. You see that little silver tray right there? I always come in and just toss down my keys and jewelry or whatever I might have in my pockets, you know, but now I got it together. And y'all know I gotta set the vibes right with the nice, clean smelling incense. And I can't be the only one that be burning up when you get to cleaning, be sweating like an athlete. Sweeping up with the Dyson. Cleaning the floors has always been something that's therapeutic to me, especially once you get the vacuum running, cancels out all the noise around you. As y'all can see, I like to use the Method squirting mop. Me and Nas love Method products. Get them at Target. Peep Nile in the back.
So the first thing I do whenever I clean is I put in a load of laundry. So I wash both my clothes and Mel's clothes, and I usually do 3 loads. So I do lights, darks, and then I also always do a load of towels as well. And then probably once every 2 weeks I'll do our entire bedding, like our duvet cover, our pillowcases, all that stuff. Mel!
What?
My AirPods were in your pocket.
In what pocket?
In your pants pocket that you put in the laundry basket. I told you you had my AirPods.
What pants?
These pants. That's all you have to say is, So for laundry, I always use these Downy Unstoppable in-wash scent boosters in the Tide scent, and then I love just using liquid detergent, so I just use liquid Tide. I used to use the pods, but I feel like the liquid just does a way better job. And now I'm moving on to the kitchen. So first things first, I'm just getting rid of all the boxes and trash and just trying to declutter the countertops as much as possible. I love to use sprays by Method, so I'm using the Daily Granite Cleaner, and then I'm also using the All-Purpose Cleaner, and I love the Honeycrisp Apple scent. It smells so good. And I get a pack of these reusable rags off of Amazon, so I use way less paper towels. They're really great and awesome for cleaning, and when I'm done cleaning the house, I just toss them all in the laundry, and they're good as new. So those are the sprays I use to wipe down all the countertops, and I'm also unloading the dishwasher as well. I'm also washing the dishes. So since we didn't have a ton of dishes, I just decided to do these by hand. So I just use just regular Dawn dish soap to wash the dishes. Typically I'm a dishwasher girl, but again, we didn't have that many, so I just went ahead and did that by hand. Then always make sure you wash your countertops as well. Not your countertops, your sink when you're done washing the dishes. I also like to spray it with some disinfectant as well. So here I am just using that Method Granite Cleaner to wipe down all the counters, and then I also just take whatever is left over on the rag and I just go ahead and wipe down the fridge and the cabinets as well, just so everything's clean and sparkling. As I told you guys earlier, it's such a cold day, so Mel and I were craving some Indian food. We both got chicken tikka masala, and then we got 2 naans. Well, I actually got another one, but this is a cheese naan. It's so good. And then for myself, I got just garlic, and we have rice and just a cucumber tomato salad as well. Gosh, this looks so good. I'm about to dig in. At this point, usually at least like 1 load of laundry is done. In this case, the lights and the darks were done. So I usually like to sit in the living room or my bedroom because I have a TV, and I like to just watch something while I fold, just to make it go a little bit faster. And honestly, I feel like I've reached my mom status because I actually enjoy folding laundry now. It's like my me time. I watch my shows, I fold. It's pretty relaxing, to be honest. So for the bathroom, this room gets pretty messy quickly for me because I get ready and stuff, but I like to use that spray away glass cleaner, and I use this for all our mirrors and any of our like clear furniture, like our dining room table. And I like to use that to clean the windows, not the windows, the mirrors, the sink. And usually, like, I'll just use like whatever's left over in the rag for the most part, but I like to use that Method all-purpose cleaner because it smells really good. And we were out of toilet bowl cleaner, so I just ended up using just the all-purpose cleaner to wipe it down. So again, I'm taking that same glass cleaner from Spray Away, and I'm just using that to wipe the shower as well, and it makes it look sparkling and so pretty. And then I'm just vacuuming the floor with our Dyson, and then I'm mopping it with our Bona, and I'm using the Method Squirt and Mop.
Up out early as hell while the wifey's still in bed with morning breath, vacuuming the floors. With dogs, they said this is something that you have to do pretty regularly, so I do this every morning. Now you see me putting the ornaments back on the tree. You might be wondering why. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I did recently just post some pictures for Lowell Smokes using our Christmas tree, so I had to remove a couple of the ornaments. But now you just see me reorganizing the table, folding up the blankets. I believe Ponce and Yasmin had been over the night before, which is why we have the 2 blankets out. Putting the one away because you know it's winter time, so we pulling out the white blanket all winter. I know some of y'all know the struggle of trying to fold these blankets by yourself. It is not easy. Here's another thing that I do religiously every single day. Just another thing that comes with having pets who shed. Sometimes it gets on our clothes, which transfer over to the couch. I also like to use just a little bit of Lysol when cleaning the couch, just because this is something that we'll sit on in our outdoor clothes as well as our lounge around and pajama clothes. So I want to make sure that it's disinfected and as clean as possible. Moving on to mopping the kitchen. Again, you see me pulling out that Method mop and squirt, or squirt and mop, or whatever it's called, but I like it. It smells good. So moving on to the bathroom. Whenever I clean the bathroom, I just think of those days back in high school where I wake up on like a Saturday, wanting to go hang out with my friends, but knowing I had to clean my bedroom and my bathroom first. So I've gotten pretty good at cleaning the bathroom, if I must say so myself. Y'all knew it was coming. Y'all probably could have called it. Back at it again with the Dyson. You know how it goes. You know, I came, I saw, I conquered. The only thing left behind is a clean and fresh smelling home. So I think I did what I came to do. I hope y'all enjoy watching my wife and I clean. Catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. My hair is soaking wet because I'm actually about to head to the salon to get my extensions put in. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications. Again, we're uploading every single day, so make sure you guys check back every day for a new upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again for our next video. Bye guys.